Now you have done the practice how to do the palm walk on the mat or on the pillow and doing on your own body. You have a different body, you can call your buddy, you can have your family member, whosoever is available, and everybody likes good palm walk massage, right? So now you have a person, you can ask person to lie on their belly, and then you slowly you want to go on their back, starting from the lower back, especially not touching the spine, just next to 1 inch away from the spine from the both side. Simply touch, stabilized, and start going, shifting your hip forward and back, forward and back. As you lean, exhale. As you come back, inhale. Sensing how the person is breathing, sensing how the tissues are responding, sensing how the weight is shifting gradually in and out. Getting this feedback from the body as you move forward and back, how it feels to the person, how it feels to you, right? Now, if you want to do a walk, you can again go forward and back. Very nice. Now my hands are in a butterfly position, as we say butterfly, and I'm keeping my both hands away from the palm, away from the spine, and leaning in and back. If you want to try the different rhythm, you can also try the rhythm which I'm using with my head going left to right, swaying and walking forward. Yeah, you can try maybe both and see which one feels good to you, which one you feel more comfortable, more in the zone, more mindful. So you can try both of them and see which one you like it or the person you're giving massage likes it, right? One of the very important understanding I very much emphasize when people are learning how to do palm walk is understanding where your weight getting transferred, is getting downward, diagonal. So give an example. Let's say if I want to do a palm press on the glute, if I bring all the way my body up is going downward, right? My pressure here is going downward. Now if I want to go diagonal like this, then so it's how do I organize my body, and in certain way whenever I'm organizing my body in certain way, it's kind of leading the weight in a very different direction. So see, maybe you can explore organizing your body in different position, and how do you sense which direction the weight is getting transferred or get the weight is getting forward in which direction, right? You can ask your person, your body to get a feedback, how it feels. When you are learning palm walk, you should try doing the palm walk in different postures. So let's say I'm sitting in this posture and I'm doing the palm walk from this distance, right here. Now I can be doing lunge and be here and do the palm walk, right? I can be sitting here in kneeling position and do the palm walk here. Yeah, I can be lunging here and do the palm walk here. I can be squatting and do the palm walk. I can be sitting here and do the palm press. So, exploring your palm walk in different position can be a very interesting and great exploration to understand how palm walk can become very versatile, how it can become one of your tool, which it's amazing because everybody likes palm walk. It's my favorite. Okay.